Hi everyone, this is Yukti Belwal and right now I'm in Belarus and at Vitebsk State Medical University. With me are three students who are studying here in which year you are?
Second year.
Second year. You also?
I'm also
Yeah, they all are in second year and these students have taken admission here. Let me ask them few questions how they ended up in this university. So first of all, I would like to have your introductions. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Sharon. I'm in second year studying in Vitebsk State Medical University.
And you from where?
I'm basically from Maharashtra,
Okay.
but my roots are somewhere else.
Alright. What about you?
I'm Karishma Jain and I'm from Mumbai in India, and
You're also in second year.
I'm also in second year.
I'm Madhu. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I'm in second year.
Okay. One thing is very common between you three is that you visited, Hungary via this university. So how did you ended up doing that, and for what purpose?
I don't know if you guys know about MUN, Model United Nations. So we got a chance.
Please tell others also about
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
So I think it's also a common thing in India. Also, we have this MUN conferences, Model United Nation conferences. So we found it out through one of our friends. She told us about the details, and we were quite interested. So the university gave us permission, and then we applied for the Schengen visa from Belarus. It was not an easy task, but yeah, we did it.
How did you find the experience, and what did you do there?
Though it was not related to medical field, but it was a good experience because we wanted an exposure to how we can increase our self-confidence and our personality. So that was a good opportunity for us. So
Okay.
that's how it helped us.
Okay. And what about you? What did you learn from this trip?
I got to know how students are all over the world. So, like, the
did you
mentalities.
visit any university also there?
No,
we didn't really.
It was a school from college.
Yeah,
From
it was
college.
Yeah.
It was a student exchange program kind of thing, or what?
No,
was it?
not a student exchange program. Even though we had to stay in a host's house, but it was not a student exchange program. Like there are a lot of MUN conferences which keep happening in the
So you
European
participated
continent.
in that?
Yeah, we participated in the conference
Okay.
where we had to speak.
Okay.
Yeah.
You spoke also.
Yeah.
All right.
Then only we are eligible to go.
All right. And what about this college? How would you define this college, and how do you think it is contributing to your future?
I found it through seminar. And I thought that it was a good opportunity for me to.
So do you think this is actually coming up to your expectation, this university?
Yeah, it is. It is doing good.
Vitebsk is the oldest university of Belarus. So the more the age, the more the quality is what they, quality experience is what they provide. And from what I have seen from other students of different university in Belarus, I can compare and say that this university is very strict. You don't study, go back home. Don't think of coming here if you don't want to study. You can't slag off here. You have to work your ass off. So, and the teachers, they're pretty strict. Maybe starting years you won't find them strict, but as you advance in
They
years,
are lenient in the first year.
yeah, because we don't know much, right? So, but the more you go, they're going to be very strict. So only those who would really want to study should come to this university, I advise.
Okay. What about you?
At first, I thought of coming to this university, but I ended up joining in Gomel. So, my friend Sharon, she was also in Gomel before. She transferred there in the first semester, and she assisted me how to transfer and how to continue in this university. Comparatively,
Do you think
this is the
good decision?
comparatively this is the best university which I have heard in the Belarus, and I also seen that this is good, and like in terms of laboratories and
I saw
clinicals.
the cadavers and everything is provided. You can do whatever
Exactly,
research
but
you
in
want.
Gomel, like the exposure to cadaver is not that often. So comparatively, this is the best.
Alright. Tell me something about the faculties. What are they qualified enough?
In anatomy, we have teachers who are one of the teachers is surgeon and one of the teachers is veterinary doctor. So they are the ones who teaches us, and they're quite good.
Then we also have a microbiology teacher here. He is basically a treasure for this country, I should say, because he is. I think the U.S. government really want him to come and work for them, but he's kind of the
Towards the country.
towards the country guy. So he's here teaching students. really good stuff.
So you are lucky to study under his guidance.
That's true.
It's good actually.
What about your parents? How are they okay? You studying here, being a girl, everyone has this concern.
Starting, we both are roommates basically, so I know how her parents she knows how my parents when they're starting. Yes, they were a bit hesitant. They were always on their toes. If we cried about something,
They will be
they will like come back.
yeah.
Come back. But I guess
As time passed, it's getting normal
I
and
think
normal. It's not.
It's more of the girls themselves actually. Are you strong enough? Are you ready to face what's there? There's nothing more to face actually. Whether it's India, whether it's here, you have to face certain things as college student. If you're ready to face them, nothing can stop you.
Okay. It's not. Is it safe to be around Belarus?
Yeah.
It is.
Yes. I don't want to put down India, but yes.
Safer than that, you want to say. What about you being a guy also? It's same thing.
Like guy
Is
things
it
are-
unsafe, safe for guys? You can roam around also, or
No, like according to me, my parents support me well. Like I have a good support from my parents. Like they'll be do whatever you want, but be careful. Don't get bad name.
I know.
Some things
what
like
what about the expenses here? The monthly expenses? How much do you spend?
That depends on how you live.
Yeah,
That's
definitely.
it.
Moderately, if somebody's want to know that okay, how much do I need to carry?
Like $200 or $250 per month.
No.
If you're a vegetarian, suppose I'm a vegetarian.
Yeah,
so
she's a vegetarian,
I
so-
spend like $150 to $200 at the most.
That includes your food expenses
food.
and personal expenses.
Yep.
Okay. What about you? You expense, spend like
Actually,
300.
$300.
I spend a bit more,
But
but
you're not telling.
because no, you asked like moderate life. So 200 to 250.
Students will get confused then.
Yeah.
So $150 to $300.
Yeah.
Is that the slab?
No, 150 is a bit
150.
too low.
But
can.
that's
She
because
survived.
She's
I'm
a
vegetarian. I don't
So-
eat meat at all.
So meat is
Doesn't
expensive.
touch. It's not
It's not
expensive
expensive, but-
per se, but I don't know how to explain actually. But I can say starting should be, if parents starting should be 200.
This includes food and personal expenses.
Yes.
Hostel, how much are you paying?
Hostel
we pay,
pay.
actually in winter it's 70, like $60 to $70 per month
Winter because of the heating.
because of the heater, and in summer it comes to 40 or less than 40. I mean
so
less than
according to
50. Sorry.
The temperature, you
Yeah.
pay more and less.
Yeah, but actually we pay once in every semester.
Once in every semester, 6 months.
Yeah, like 300 or
Yeah,
350.
But that depends on you. You can pay monthly. You can pay
You
either
can pay at the semester wise.
At your ease, you can pay.
Yeah, you
whatever.
can ease at your pay. But yes, if you don't pay on time, the penalty is shit. No, the penalty is a lot.
Okay.
They will do. The thing is, like they do, like in schools, if you don't pay, they warn you. Pay. Here, about the hostel fees, they don't warn you. They don't. You have
Yeah,
to
they
go
don't warn
check it out yourself. You don't check it out. You don't pay for that. You forget. You're gone because they'll increase the
I know.
penalty.
I understood that there's some interest kind of thing they will buy on you.
Yeah.
It's like a per
Penalty.
week. Per week, I
No,
suppose.
per day.
Per day.
Yeah, per week.
Per week penalty. So
For
you can
tuition
understand.
fees, if you delay the tuition fees, like you will have a penalty of $2 per day.
I saw there are like multicultural, multi-country students studying here. So it's
Our group is the international group.
okay.
The
So
perfect
Yeah.
international group, like literally from everywhere. We
Yeah.
have a guy from Pakistan too.
okay.
Oh, I love it because more international people, the more you develop. Yeah,
In one city, in one university only, you are able to know the experiences from
Of
different countries.
different
Yes,
cultures,
yes,
and
but I guess that's natural when students come from India also. Most of them who I've seen, they like it to be with other people. So if anyone is having, if any parents feel like the student that the child might be lonely or they won't have friends, they should be rest assured because at one point you will click with someone or the other.
Oh dear.
So there is no chance of you being lonely. It's easy. You can make friends.
And what about the temperature? Is it very harsh in winters?
Yeah, not harsh, but
But उससे भी ज़्यादा
worse.
तो नहीं है. Worst. Okay. Is it?
yeah, it reaches till -30.
Minus 30.
Minus
Yeah,
30.
last year it hit minus 29 once.
Oh, okay.
Only once a day.
This time it was okay.
This time it was
Actually, due to global warming, we can't predict anything. But it's I wouldn't say it's that harsh that you will literally fall bad, like very ill. You will get the seasonal flus, you know, the change in season flus. Otherwise, I think you don't find that great problems here. And also, if parents are worried if they are sick, they can always go to. We have these clinics. In the
Yeah.
clinics, they give you leave. I don't know. The students know that if you are absent here, you have to pay for
Pay
that class.
penalty, yeah, that's also-
but then if you're ill and the doctors
Take the
feel
certificate and show to the dean. Is it?
no. They will check you first. They will see if yours is a normal flu. They'll do the normal checkup, and if they feel you need rest, they will give the rest and without payment. Yeah,
You
so-
can take rest at your.
Yeah.